Welcome back to my channel, children. Now we are doing SSC previous year question paper sums. Now, uh, in the previous video, I have completed 2 marks and 4 marks sums, and 6 marks I am doing. So, in this 6 marks, 2 sums I have done in the previous video. Now I am doing the third one. The third one is prove that root 2 plus root 7. Root 2 plus root 7 is an irrational number. You have to prove that it is an irrational number. So let us suppose that root 2 plus root 7 is rational. If it is rational, what does this implies? Root 2 plus root 7 is equal to a by b, where a and b are co-primes. Co-primes means they are the simplest forms of the ratio. So what do you mean by this, children? You can take root 2 is equal to a by b minus root 7. Means root 2 is equal to, take LCM b, a minus b root 7. Okay, now on squaring both the sides, root 2 whole square is equal to a minus b root 7 by b whole square. That means 2 is equal to a minus b root 7 whole square by b square. Now, let me send this b square on LHS. So, what am I getting? 2b square is equal to a minus b root 7 whole square. That means 2b square is equal to a minus b square. A square minus 2 into a into, this is b root 7 plus b root 7 whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. That means 2b square is equal to a square minus 2 root 7ab plus 7b square. Okay. Now, let me write all values right. So, 2b square minus a square minus 7b square is equal to minus 2 root 7ab. Otherwise, what we will do is, the easiest way is, I'll send b square on the other side. Minus 2 root 7ab, I'll bring it here, is equal to a square plus 7b square plus 2b square becomes minus 2b square. So, 2 root 7ab is equal to a square plus 5b square. So, what is root 7? A square plus 5b square by 2ab. I have sent the 2ab here. So, with this, what are we getting, children? Here, you see, LHS is irrational and RHS is rational. So, we will say that LHS is irrational and RHS is rational. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, our assumption is false. What is our assumption? Our assumption is root 2 plus root 7 is rational. So, what we will say? Root 2 plus root 7 is irrational. This is what is our proof, children. Please copy it. Now we'll see the next sum. The next one is you have to prove the same type of, this is fourth one. You have to prove in the same way, prove that root 2 plus root 11 is an irrational number. Children, all these sums are in the same way. I'm doing them. I'm sorry. I'm doing each and every sum on the board. It doesn't mean that you just copy. You do the sums. I have explained you how it has to be done. Do them and verify with what I have done. That will help you to learn more, children. So let me do this. So let root 2 plus root 11 is irrational. Sorry, root 2 plus root 7 is rational. We are considering that it is rational. What does this implies? Root 2 plus root 11 is equal to a by b, where a and b are co-primes. So root 2 is equal to a by b minus root 11. That means root 2 is equal to b is LCM, a minus b root 11. Now on squaring both the sides, root 2 whole square is equal to a minus b root 11 whole square by b square. Okay, that means 2 is equal to 2b square. I'll send this b square here, is equal to a minus b root 11 whole square. That means 2b square is equal to a square minus 2 into a into b. B is b root 11 plus b square, b root 11 whole square. That means 2b square is equal to a square minus 2ab root 11 plus b square, what I can write, 11b square. 11b square. So bring this minus 2ab, becomes 2ab root 11 is equal to a square plus 11b square minus 2b square. So 2ab root 11 is equal to a square plus 9b square. So what is root 11? A square plus 9b square by 2ab. So here once again, LHS is irrational. RHS is rational. So what you can say? Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, our assumption is false. Therefore, root 2 plus root 11 is irrational. The same way which you have done in the earlier case, children, root 2 plus root 7 is irrational. Please write down this. Now, let me go to the next problem. Next problem also is of the same type. The question is, You have to prove that root 3 plus root 5. Here the sum is, this is fifth sum, root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So let us suppose that root 3 plus root 5 is rational. That means root 3 plus root 5 is equal to a by b. So what is root 3? A by b minus root 5 on squaring. Let me first take the LCM here. So root 3 is equal to b, a minus root 5b on squaring both the sides. What am I getting? Root 3 whole square is equal to a minus root 5b by b whole square. That means 3 is equal to a minus root 5b whole square by b square. That means 3b square is equal to a minus root 5b whole square. That is 3b square is equal to a square minus 2 into a into b root 5b plus b square root 5b whole square. That is 3b square is equal to a square minus 2 root 5 ab plus 5b square. So 2 root 5 ab is equal to a square plus 5b square minus 3b square. 2 root 5 ab is equal to a square plus 2b square. So what is root 5? A square plus 2b square by 2ab. So here again LHS is irrational, RHS is rational. LHS is irrational, RHS is rational. Therefore, our assumption is false. Therefore, what is the problem? Root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. So see children, many of the problems are of the same type you have got. So please copy this. Next part we will see in the next class.